Hey there, drivers and DIY enthusiasts. Ever been stuck with a flat tire and dreaded having to deal with a heavy jack under your car? There's a smarter, faster, and safer way to handle it. Today we're talking about two tools that can make tire changes and roadside emergencies way easier. The VEVOR electric car jack and the ROGTZ electric car jack kit. Let's start with the VEVOR 5-ton electric car jack. It's not just a jack, it's an all-in-one tire changing toolkit. It includes a hydraulic lift, an electric impact wrench, an air pump, and even an LED light. Whether you need to lift your SUV, tighten lug nuts, or inflate a tire, this tool does it all with the push of a button. Link in the description. The ROGTZ 5-ton electric car jack kit. This one's a bit more compact, perfect if you want something reliable without taking up too much space. It runs on 12 volts hydraulic power and also includes a built-in air pump and LED lighting, making it really handy during nighttime breakdowns or low light situations. It works great whether you drive a sedan or an SUV. Old jacks can be a pain to use, especially when you're in a rush or dealing with bad weather. VEVOR and ROGTZ offer more modern, reliable options that take the stress out of the situation. They're built to make the job easier and give you peace of mind every time you hit the road. If you're into tools and smart gear like this, there's plenty more coming up. This is Ride Upgrade Zone. Thanks for listening, and safe travels out there. Subscribe Ride Upgrade Zone for more informative videos.